Hello everyone, good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. I am also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Safi. Today I am going to share with you different use of have verb. So, if you say আমার আছে I have, আমার ছিল I had, আমার থাকবে I will have, আমার থাকতে পারে I might have, আমার থাকতে পারতো I could have, আমার থাকা উচিত I should have. So this is a very common expressional sentence you can use your daily life activity so that your spoken will be very nice and very natural. So this is a very simple sentence you can use your daily activity. So no more today. Thank you for watching.